Pleasant evening, and thank you so much, Sister Vicky, for this invitation that has been put forward to share a little more about what AHPA is all about. And so it is my pleasure to be here, and I am your humble servant, Dr. Sylette Henry-Buckmire. So yes, we will be sharing on AHPA, the scope of our work, what frames how we operate, and the benefits to you for joining us. So AHPA refers to the Adventist Health Professionals Association, and our members work in every discipline of health across 2 islands and across varied subcultural contexts. But we have a shared goal, which is to uphold the healthy lifestyle given by God to the world, emphasized by the remnant church, and to support and encourage the mental, emotional, social, physical, and spiritual health of each individual within our sphere of influence. And so with that in mind, our members work both within and outside governmental organizations and educational institutions, and exist in every region of the country. And therefore, understandably, our issues affect both personal and environmental health, chronic and infectious disease. We're interested in ensuring that we all enjoy smoke-free environments where professional public health education is key. And we also provide tools to help consumers live healthier lives. So, whether you are a long-time public health professional, a surgeon or a specialist doctor, or you've just completed your internship, AHPA has a place for you. And it is our privilege to have you join us. Now, when we consider our scope, there are many, but these are key. It is within our mandate to provide health services and health information to communities, organizations, and nations. Yes, here it is. We also meet the needs of our diaspora. It is our goal to continue to organize meetings, seminars, and conferences for networking and supporting the professional development of our members. And certainly, we are happy to function as a repository of current, culturally relevant health information to all of our colleagues, our students, and the nation at large. Now, we operate within a particular framework, and this framework begins at the level of AHPA Trinidad and AHPA Tobago, where there is now growing collaboration to meet the needs of our membership and the community at large. And you would see nested here the names of the presidents of AHPA Trinidad and AHPA Tobago, respectively. Now, our services are cocooned within the organizational parameters of the South Caribbean Conference and the Tobago Mission of Seventh-day Adventists, respectively, which are guided, that is, the health services are guided under the auspices of the health directors, Mrs. Victoria De Coto, who is health director for the South Caribbean Conference of Seventh-day Adventists, and Pastor Richard Fredericks, health director for the Tobago Mission Now, oversight and guidance is provided ably under Dr. Alexander Isaacs, who functions at the level of the Caribbean Union Conference of Seventh-day Adventists. And under his auspices, he is responsible for 3 medical institutions and hospitals ranging from Anguilla in the Northern Caribbean to Guyana in the South. So why join us? There are several reasons. So just a few of them include the fact that it is in our best interest, and we see it as a strength, to build a community, providing the space to build community. And here we recognize that our members, because we work in every single discipline, across the health spectrum, we have several varied strengths and areas of expertise. And we can draw strength from our diversity. So we welcome your voice and leadership. Who hasn't benefited from a good mentor? I know I have. And we at AHPA, we provide that space for those who have been, successfully practicing your training for many years, as well as meeting the needs of those who have just graduated. So the mentorship experience is a huge one within AHPA. And of course, networking opportunities are rampant within this space. So here it is. We have an opportunity, and we create opportunities that would allow you to connect with others of your field, within your industry, and to allow you to grow and to benefit your career. And we can speak to this on so many different levels, but we have several opportunities, one of which is that of the healing platform that we conduct on the last Sunday of every month, where we allow and invite specialist practitioners in varied areas to share their expertise. And there's an opportunity for question and answer, to challenge some myths and to learn and grow. Additionally, now this is an area that we want to develop further, and that is staying up to date on industry news and trends. And we want at AHPA to provide this service to you, so that we will be providing first-hand knowledge of new technologies, processes, research papers to enhance the work that you do on the ground. Volunteerism allows you to network, yes, but it also extends your sphere of influence in the community. You have an opportunity to meet with people on the ground. You have an opportunity to meet community leaders. And you also have the satisfaction of knowing that you're doing good work and you're involved more heavily in the community. Volunteering gives you the visibility that is critical to communicating care, concern, and love as a medical practitioner. Job opportunities. We want to also provide this service to you, that as we become aware of companies listing hiring positions, that we will pass on this news to you. How to join? It's a simple process. So you just need to click on the link to complete a very simple Google form. Now, this link would also be posted in the chat. How deep would I have to dip into my pocket to become a part of AHPA? Not very deep at all. Your annual fee as a medical practitioner is only $200. Yes, so that works out to just over $16 a month. Yes, so your annual fee is $200, and you pay that into Adventist Health Professionals Association, account number 483-7452-2. And of course, this is done via online banking transfer to the Unit Trust Corporation. Now, the student fee is 50% of the professional fee, which is $100. In terms of your online payment, we desire that you take a screenshot of your bank transfer receipt and that you WhatsApp it to Joy Apping or Treasurer at 868-678-4852. And this is just to confirm your payment. Thank you again for your kind attention, and I welcome your questions. Looking forward to having you on board. God bless you.